Hi, how's it going? This is Felix, and in addition to the previous video, Iguana, how to benchmark your Triplestore, I will show you today another possible way to execute Iguana. This way it is not daemonized and you can automatize it using a bash script. So again, let's make a working directory. Let's go into that. Clear. We need again our Iguana files, this time another zip file, but it's still on GitHub. So github.com/dicegroup/iguana. Let's go to releases again. We want this Iguana single run zip again from the latest release. Copy link location, we get paste. My internet connection on this virtual machine is just shit, so I downloaded it earlier. Again, same thing as last time. Clears up. Copy Iguana single run zip. Great. Unzip it. Okay. This time we have only. Let's remove the zip file again. We have this time only one jar. This is basically without RabbitMQ. It is a core controller and result processor put together in one jar, and it actually only needs Iguana benchmark configuration to start, and it stops. So the process will stop as soon as the benchmark stops. Let's look at the start Iguana script. Basically, you can see it. We use the first argument as a benchmark configuration file. So again, let's make. Sorry. Yeah. Let's make our windows again, and let's use Wiki again. Go to Iguana. Again, download Wiki as the last time. Let's minimize that. I already downloaded. Again, the connection on this virtual machine is just shit. So Apache 3 point. Yes. Sorry. Point. Take a few seconds. Yes. And copy Apache Wiki. Clear. Unzip Apache 3.13 and unzip Apache Wiki. Great. Clear. Start up to clean up. Let's look at it. Amazing. Let's make this window a little bit bigger for now. Okay, so again, we have to start our Wiki server. Again, /Apache 3.13.1 bin TDB loader 2. If you're on Windows, use TDB loader -log ds. I won't go into explanation this time. Look the other video if you want detailed explanation. This is just a short video on how to use a single run Iguana. And the dataset file is again our dataset nt. Great, loaded. Let's check ds. Great. Okay, let's start Wiki directly and go into Apache and Wiki. It's Wiki server -log ds/ds, and yeah, let's daemonize it. Should work. And let's test it. -3. Import urllib. There. And from we want print and urllib, not urllib. And it's parse. Import urllib parse. Same for this last time. urllib parse dot quote and select star sp. Oh, should work? Yes, great. Copy that. Curl http localhost 3030/ds sparkle query equals paste. Perfect. Dataset is loaded. Let's clear this up. We don't need RabbitMQ this time. We only need, so just basically can be cleared. We only need our configuration file, our benchmark execution file. Let's copy paste it again. Where is it? There. And go to raw. Copy paste it or download it, doesn't matter. Nano benchmark config paste. Let's change it again. Again, if you want more on how the configuration works, go to either the wiki or the last video. It is explained there. I'm just changing the values again, like our connection name, our endpoint. We don't use updates, so let's ignore this. Our dataset, let's call it again dataset for whatever reason. Dataset, again, my creativity is bursting. We don't use a warm-up. Let's not use time limit. Let's use again 10 seconds. And let's use one user. Yeah. And again, the tilt doesn't work, so let's use temp. Copy queries to temp. Great. Okay. So let's don't do this. So what we did is again used our benchmark configuration file and copied our queries to the location in the benchmark configuration file, so we can start Iguana using benchmark config. And there we go. I did 10 seconds, right? Yes, should end. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so again, we have our result task this time. Because we don't have daemonised it, each task will be saved in its own entropy file. Let's clear this up. Cat results, grab number of queries per hour. And there we have it. Again, it's duplicated, so it's only this thing. Yeah, about 60,000. That's fine for a virtual machine. Yeah, and that's basically it. So this is how to use Iguana. Let's look, grab Iguana dot what was it called? Iguana -1. No. So yeah, it was -1. Yes. So it is finished. The process of starting Iguana finished with the execution. So you can automatize your Iguana scripts with Bash. For example, I will show you that in additionally. Nano automatize. So you could start Iguana and then basically benchmark 1 config. No. So, and if you have several configuration files, e.g. for several Triplestores, you could basically do this. If you have benchmark 1 config, benchmark 2, benchmark 3, benchmark 4, benchmark 5 config, it will just start this first this one, then this one, then this one, and so on. And it will execute each in a row. And if you have, for example, again, if you need to start your Triplestore, you can do that directly before this. So let's basically start whatever virtuoso start for Wiki. You obviously have to create those scripts, but then and obviously like pickle -f virtuoso and it will kill virtuoso. It will start for Wiki and so on, and so you can automatize it using bash script or whatever you want. So this is it. Have a nice day. Have fun benchmarking. Bye.